Hello, my name is Murhaf, the director of Acapedia.
Hello, my name is Amina. I'm a head of admission Acapedia at Kazakhstan.
And it's a pleasure for us to be here in Astana, Kazakhstan for the first time with NET24.
I think it's a rewarding job because we play a crucial role in helping students to realize their dreams to study abroad. We provide guidance from choosing the right program, complex application procedures and visa requirements. So I think it's a big honor to be a part of this decision.
Well, it's definitely crucial for universities and agents to meet because it's a process of exchanging knowledge and sharing resources. As universities, they bring their academic insight to the agents, while educational agents normally offer the market perspective from the region they represent, and it also enhances the communication for the future.